Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and today we're going to be doing the green chili cheese skirt smash burger. Yeah, I think I got that right. Anyway, let's get started. Real quick guys, I want to share something that my family loves with you guys. This YouTube platform has given me the ability to kind of share things that we like. I'm not being paid to say this. This is just something that we genuinely like. When we go on vacation, we pick up these products up in Minnesota from this company, Kick-Ass Snacks. They make all kinds of different food products here. They sent me some sample packs. Again, I'm not being paid for this, but we absolutely love this stuff. When we go up to vacation in Minnesota, they've got beef sticks. And these taste phenomenal. Like if you go out and you buy beef sticks, you know, a lot of times you're like, why did I eat that? These never give you that feeling. They just taste so much more high quality. They've got beef jerky. And I got a few things here that I'm not even showing. They sent me some Bloody Mary mix. I might knock some of that out later on. But anyway, look, check them out. I'll put a link down in the description. If you like snacks like this is a company you definitely want to check out, and you can order online. Alright, so I got this crazy idea. Actually, it's not my idea. I saw this on a video, I think on Facebook, where they did this cheese skirt that they melted on a griddle, and I just saw that and I went, man, you know what? I want to try that, and I want to just kind of do it the everyday barbecue way, or put my own spin on it. And I'm pretty sure my buddy Greg over at Ballistic Barbecue has done something similar to this as well. But anyway, so here's the plan. Here's what we're going to rock with, okay? We got two roughly quarter-pound patties, ground chuck. I'm going to be smashing these out on the Blackstone Griddle. Now, for the cheese, we're going to be taking these cheese curds right here. We're going to be melting those down, sprinkling in a little bit of cheddar on top, and we're going to basically cook up some cheese, or fry up a little cheese patty out on that griddle and dump that on top at the end. I'm also going to be putting some onions on this burger that I've sliced very thinly. We're going to griddle those up, and in this cheese skirt, I'm going to be putting some green chilies also, and getting all that melted down. I can't wait for you guys to check this out. I did a practice run on this. It went well. I won't lie, the cheese skirt thing is not easy to do. It's easy to mess up. I really hope this turns out for you when it's time to go ahead and flip that cheese over onto that burger. I'm going to do my best. Keep in mind, again, I'm just an everyday backyard barbecuer, okay? So don't be too hard on me. Now for this seasoning, I'm going to be just using a simple mixture I put together: salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit of chili powder that we're going to sprinkle on these patties after we get them smashed down on the griddle. Alright, now it is so hot outside today that my house is literally sweating. So we're going to be going outside to do this recipe nice and early. We're headed out there right now. You guys come on with me, dress for the weather, okay? You don't need much. Let's go hang out on the porch. Let's get this burger knocked out. Alright, just put down some oil. We're going to get started with these onions. We don't need a lot of onion, just going to do enough to kind of cover that burger. So I'm taking a little bit of that seasoning mixture that I made for the burger. I'm going to put it on these onions too. That mixed in nicely. Alright guys, these onions are starting to get translucent. They're about halfway done, and just like I always do, we're just going to go ahead, move these over to the side here, and just let those kind of hang out and further cook while we get the rest of this going. Alright, onions are coming along great. It's time to get these burgers going here. Alright, burgers are on. Want to smash these immediately for a count of 10. Patty 1. Patty 2. Now for those of you that are going to ask, this is my buddy Greg's Burger Smasher from Ballistic Barbecue. And I know they're in short supply right now, but I keep promising my viewers that as soon as they're available again, which should be within days or a couple weeks, I'll be posting that on our Facebook page so you guys can see. Alright, let's get some seasoning on these burgers. And again, this is just my salt, pepper, garlic with a little bit of chili powder, which I think is going to go nice with this flavor profile. Alright, now let's get these green chilies warmed up a bit right here. Going to kind of move those over here by the onions. And now, this is the thing that makes me most nervous. It's time to get this cheese curd going. So we're going to go ahead, drop these cheese curds down here. We're going to do a nice healthy amount of these, okay? Now we're going to tie that together with some nice shredded cheddar. And these cheese curds, by the way, they're white cheddar with garlic and chive flavoring. Now while that melts down, I want to go ahead, get these green chilies into that mix. Alright, now these burgers look like they're ready for a flip. They've got some color coming up the sides. Let's see what we got. A nice, beautiful sear. That crust is just unreal. Get a little more seasoning on this other side. Try to keep this cheese skirt sort of together as much as we can. Alright, let's get a little toast on this bun. Now I chose just a nice fresh artisan bun for this. They just look good in the store, guys. There was really no method behind my madness with that. And I've got my cutting board here ready to go for when we build this, which is just going to be about a minute or so from now. Got a nice toast on that bun. Alright guys, let's give this a shot. We got patty number one. Patty number two. That is so beautiful. Now let's get some of these onions here. Alright, here is the moment of truth. If I can pull this off, this is just going to be outstanding. Alright, you guys ready? Look at that. Unreal! I did it! I'm going to tell you what, I'm proud. I'm very proud. That's absolutely glorious. Alright, tell you what. Let's get this bad boy inside. And let's give this thing a taste. Guys, we pulled it off. I mean, just check this out. We got some nice crust on there with that cheese skirt. I mean, this is absolutely beautiful. So, I'm going to bring you in closer. I'm going to cut this bad boy in half against my better judgment, but I just think it's going to make for a great shot. So let's do that. Alright, let's see if I could do this without ruining this burger. This is so beautiful, I almost just want to like leave it or frame it. I mean, it's crazy good. I can't believe it turned out this good. I only did one practice run on this. Alright, let's cut this thing in half. It's probably not going to be as beautiful, but there's no way I'm going to be able to just pick this up and eat it without making a complete disaster of myself. So I'll try to go only half disaster. Here we go. Alright, so I cut it in half. It's probably more beautiful without cutting it in half, but I wanted you to see it both ways. I'm so proud of this one. Alright, it's time to give this bad boy a shot. Alright, now I got two halves to choose from here. There's a messy half and there's a real messy half. And it wouldn't be proper and right to do the less messy half for you guys, so here we go. Let's just I mean, I don't even know what to expect here except mounds and mounds of goodness. You guys ready? Here we go. Oh my God. Just peeling some of that cheese skirt. Crunchy. Oh my God, it's good. I'm going in for a little more. Okay, so when I envisioned doing this, this is pretty much exactly what I envisioned, and it came out perfect. I'm super happy that it came out good, and it's visually it's what I wanted. A big messy burger with the cheese skirt just hanging over. The seasoning's great. It's still very burger-like, but there's that little bit of chili powder that I put in there that kind of pairs good with those green chilies and this cheese that I chose. The burger's perfect. The bun went nice with this. It withstood all of the, you know, juice from the burger and from the cheese. It held up well. The onions, perfect as always, like they always are on that griddle. So this was a winner. This might be one of my favorites I've ever done, honestly, on the Blackstone or just in general, because it was not easy to do, to get it right, and it came out great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing another one here in a few days. Should come out in about a week. I'm not going to tell you what that is. I'm really excited about that one too. It's going to be ooey gooey like this one. So cheers to you guys. Thanks for all the love. Thanks for following me. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you on the next episode.